Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Topic for today's quiz is UPSc CAPF Question Paper 2012 Paper 1. Question number 1. Bleaching powder is added to water used for drinking purposes. The role of bleaching powder in this case is Option A. Of disinfectant. Option B. Of bleaching agent. Option C. To remove impurity. Option D. To decrease the pH. The correct answer is Option A. Of disinfectant. Bleaching powder is used for disinfecting the drinking water supply. That is, for making drinking water free from germs. Bleaching powder is used for the manufacture of chloroform, CHCl. Bleaching powder is used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. Question number 2. Which one among the following is not a greenhouse gas? Option A. Methane. Option B. Ozone. Option C. Carbon dioxide. Option D. Sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is Option D. Sulfur dioxide. A greenhouse gas, sometimes abbreviated GHG, is a gas that absorbs and emits radiant energy within the thermal infrared range. Greenhouse gases cause the greenhouse effect on planets. The primary greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere are water vapor, H2O, carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, nitrous oxide, N2O, and ozone, O3. Without greenhouse gases, the average temperature of Earth's surface would be about -18 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Fahrenheit, rather than the present average of 15 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit. The atmospheres of Venus, Mars and Titan also contain greenhouse gases. Question number 3. Which one among the following salts causes hardness to the water? Option A. Calcium bicarbonate. Option B. Calcium carbonate. Option C. Sulfate. Option D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is Option A. Calcium bicarbonate. The hardness of water is usually attributed to calcium and magnesium salts, but any cation with two or more charges can cause it, e.g. iron, 2. Here, the cation will form a precipitate, scum, with soap, e.g. calcium chloride plus sodium stearate, soap, calcium stearate, scum, plus sodium chloride. Question number 4. The Moplah peasant struggles took place in Option A. Darjeeling. Option B. Andamans. Option C. Malabar. Option D. Chota Nagpur. The correct answer is Option C. Malabar. The Moplah peasant movement was engineered in August 1921 among the peasants of the Malabar district in Kerala. The Moplah tenants were Muslims and they agitated against the Hindu landlords and the British government. Their grievances related to lack of any security of tenure, renewal fees, high rents, and other oppressive landlord exactions. Question number 5. Hurricanes rarely form or move with 5 degrees of the equator, because Option A. Coriolis effect is weakest here. Option B. Coriolis effect is strongest here. Option C. It has low pressure. Option D. It has high temperature. The correct answer is Option A. Coriolis effect is weakest here. Hurricanes cannot form near the equator because the Coriolis effect initiates and maintains their rotation. Tropical cyclones rarely form or move within 5 degrees of the equator, where the effect is weakest. Question number 6. What do you call the total system of parallels and meridians that form a network of intersecting tines? Option A. Geographic pattern. Option B. Geographic arrangement. Option C. Geographic grid. Option D. Geographic polygon. The correct answer is Option C. Geographic grid. Geographic grid. The total system of parallels and meridians forms a network of intersecting circles. Question number 7. In May 2012, Which one among the following Indian business houses has signed an agreement with the Bangladesh government to design and develop a new city, Notun Dhaka, New Dhaka, in Bangladesh? Option A. Reliance Industries Limited. Option B. Sahara India Parivar. Option C. Tata Group. Option D. Aditya Birla Group. The correct answer is option B. Sahara India Parivar. Sahara India Parivar is the industry that signed an agreement in May of 2012 to design and build Notun Dhaka. The new city development was built for the Bangladesh government. Question number 8. Who among the following was the winner of men's singles Wimbledon Championship 2012? Option A. Roger Federer. Option B. Andy Murray. Option C. Novak Djokovic. Option D. Rafael Nadal. The correct answer is option A. Roger Federer. Murray was also involved in the match completed latest in the day at Wimbledon, which ended at 11:02 p.m. in a victory over Marcos Baghdatis at centre court in the third round of the 2012 championships. The 2012 men's singles final on the 8th of July 2012, between Roger Federer and Murray, was the first singles final to be partially played under the roof, which was activated during the third set. Question number 9. Why was theoretical physicist Ashoke Sen a string theorist at Allahabad's Harish Chandra Research Institute? In news recently. Option A. He was nominated to the Rajya Sabha. Option B. He was one of the 9 winners of the first Urey Milner Fundamental Physics Prize. Option C. He was selected as jury member to decide on the awardees of Nobel Prize for the year 2013. Option D. He was selected 10 at the S.S. Bhatnagar Award. The correct answer is option B. He was one of the 9 winners of the first Urey Milner Fundamental Physics Prize. Theoretical physicist Ashoke Sen, a string theorist at India's Harish Chandra Research Institute, is one of 9 winners of the first Urey Milner Fundamental Physics Prize. At $3 million, the award is worth nearly 3 times more than a Nobel and is the most lucrative academic prize in the world. Question number 10. Public interest litigation falls within the jurisdiction of the High Court provided certain conditions are fulfilled. Which one among the following conditions is not accepted by the courts? Option A. Public is interested in vindication of some rights. Option B. Enforcement of public duty. Option C. Courts can examine previous records of public servants. Option D. Personal injury or loss is an essential element. The correct answer is option D. Personal injury or loss is an essential element. Public interest litigation, PIL, refers to litigation undertaken to secure public interest and demonstrates the availability of justice to socially disadvantaged parties and was introduced by Justice P.N. Bhagwati. It is a relaxation of the traditional rule of the locus. Earlier, when the judiciary and the Supreme Court of India entertained litigation only from parties affected directly or indirectly by the defendant, it heard and decided cases only under its original and appellate jurisdictions. However, the Supreme Court began permitting cases on the grounds of public interest litigation, which means that even people who are not directly involved in the case may bring matters of public interest to the court. It is the court's privilege to entertain the application for the PIL. Question number 11. How do marine animals survive in water without air contact? Option A. They do not require any oxygen. Option B. They take oxygen from water. Option C. They only produce oxygen in their body. Option D. They get oxygen from water plants. The correct answer is option B. They take oxygen from water. Marine animals are able to survive in water without air contact in a number of ways. Water contains dissolved oxygen from plant life within marine ecosystems, such as algae and seaweed, and organisms such as phytoplankton. Marine animals have specialized features that enable them to take up this oxygen through diffusion, such as gills or specialized skin. Question number 12. Which one among the following causes stomach pain in human body? Option A. To prevent tooth decay. Option B. To take care of excess fluoride in drinking water. Option C. For easy digestion of food. Option D. To increase the strength of bones. The correct answer is Option C. For easy digestion of food. Tamarind fruit contains certain health-benefiting essential volatile chemical compounds, minerals, vitamins, and dietary fiber. The sticky pulp of tamarind is rich in dietary fibers that help in good digestion. The fiber also helps protect the colon mucous membrane from cancer-causing chemicals. Question number 13. Green muffler is Option A. A technology for reducing air pollution. Option B. A method of afforestation. Option C. Plantation along roadsides to reduce noise pollution. Option D. A process of reducing vibration. The correct answer is Option C. Plantation along roadsides to reduce noise pollution. Green muffler is a technique of reducing noise pollution by planting 4 to 6 rows around the populated areas or noisy places. Let us find out what is green muffler scheme, why trees are known as buffers, how trees help in reducing noise pollution. Question number 14. Byssinosis disease is common in the workers of Option A. Rubber industry. Option B. Ceramic industry. Option C. Textile industry. Option D. Iron and steel industry. The correct answer is Option C. Textile industry. Byssinosis is an occupational lung disease caused by exposure to cotton dust in inadequately ventilated working environments. Byssinosis commonly occurs in workers who are employed in yarn and fabric manufacture industries. Question number 15. Alluri Sita Rama Raju's rebellion, 1922 to 1924, took place in Option A. Chota Nagpur. Option B. Gudem-Rampa Tract. Option C. Baslar. Option D. Nellore. The correct answer is Option B. Gudem-Rampa Tract. The Rampa Rebellion of 1922, also known as the Manyam Rebellion, was a tribal uprising led by Alluri Sita Rama Raju in Godavari Agency of Madras Presidency, British India. It began in August 1922 and lasted until the capture and killing of Raju in May 1924. Question number 16. Which one among the following relates to a land revenue policy introduced by the English East India Company? Option A. Pitt's India Act. Option B. Mahalwadi Settlement. Option C. Regulating Act. Option D. Subsidiary Alliance. The correct answer is Option B. Mahalwadi Settlement. Land revenue systems in British India. 3 major systems of land revenue collection existed in India. They were Zamindari, Rayatwadi, and Mahalwadi. Zamindari system. Zamindari system was introduced by Cornwallis in 1793 through the Permanent Settlement Act. It was introduced in the provinces of Bengal, Bihar, Orissa, and Varanasi. Question number 17. Which one among the following is a cold current in the Atlantic Ocean? Option A. Gulf Stream. Option B. Bengala Current. Option C. Peru Current. Option D. Brazil Current. The correct answer is Option B. Bengala Current. The Bengala Current, a cold current, flows from south to north along the western coast of southern Africa. In fact, the South Atlantic drift turns northward due to obstruction caused by the southern tip of Africa. Further northward, this current merges with the South Equatorial Current. Question number 18. The Golden Quadrilateral of India connects which of the following places? Option A. Srinagar, Porbandar, Kanyakumari, Siddha. Option B. Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai. Option C. Delhi, Mumbai, Kanyakumari, Kolkata. Option D. Jammu, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Kolkata. The correct answer is Option B. Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai. The Golden Quadrilateral (GQ) is a national highway network connecting most of the major industrial, agricultural, and cultural centers of India. It forms a quadrilateral connecting the four major metro cities of India, viz. Delhi, North, Kolkata, East, Mumbai, West, and Chennai, South. Question number 19. Which one among the following Indian states shares international boundaries with three nations? Option A. Uttarakhand. Option B. Himachal Pradesh. Option C. Arunachal Pradesh. Option D. Assam. The correct answer is Option C. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh borders the states of Assam and Nagaland to the south and shares international borders with Bhutan in the west, Myanmar in the east, and the People's Republic of China, PRC, in the north. Question number 20. Which one among the following is not a goal of National Action Plan for Climate Change? Option A. To promote the development and use of solar energy. Option B. To reduce energy consumption through supply-side management. Option C. Forestation of degraded forest lands. Option D. Improvement in water use efficiency through pricing and other measures. The correct answer is Option B. To reduce energy consumption through supply-side management. The National Action Plan for Energy Efficiency was a private-public initiative to create a sustainable, aggressive national commitment to energy efficiency through the collaborative efforts of gas and electric utilities, utility regulators, and other partner organizations. Such a commitment can take advantage of large opportunities in U.S. homes, buildings, and schools to reduce energy use, save billions on customer energy bills, and reduce the need for new power supplies. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now, link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.